Ever heard of a pharaoh's dream about 7 sleek and 7 gaunt cows? This ancient tale from the Bible has some intriguing relevance to our modern times. The 7 sleek cows, swallowed by the 7 gaunt ones, represented 7 years of abundance followed by 7 years of famine. Just as in the dream, our lives also go through seasons of plenty and scarcity. You might be basking in a sunny period of success, or weathering a storm of struggles. Yet keep in mind, these cycles are as natural as the changing tides. Much like Joseph's interpretation of the dream led to Egypt's survival, we too can use our periods of abundance to prepare for the lean times. And remember, even in the harshest winters, spring always follows. So whether you're in a season of plenty or facing a personal famine, hold on to hope. Just as the Pharaoh's dream promised, at the end of it all, things will be well. This is the timeless wisdom of the Bible speaking to us across the millennia.